The medical examination is a crucial step in the U.S. permanent residency application process. Every green card applicant must undergo this examination, with results documented on Form I-693, the Report of Medical Examination and Vaccination Record. Form I-693 serves as official documentation that you don't have any health conditions that would make you inadmissible to the United States. This form must be completed by a USCIS-approved physician, known as a civil surgeon if you're applying from within the U.S., or a panel physician if applying from abroad. Several medical conditions can make an applicant inadmissible on health grounds. These include infectious diseases like gonorrhea, infectious stage syphilis, active tuberculosis, and Hansen's disease. Drug abuse, severe mental disorders, and physical conditions that may lead to harmful behavior can also result in inadmissibility. Everyone applying for permanent U.S. residency must submit Form Y-693. Whether applying through marriage, employment, or other pathways, this medical examination is a standard requirement. Failing to submit this form can result in application rejection or delays. For the form to be valid, it must be signed by an approved physician no more than 60 days before filing Form I-485, the application to register permanent residence. The form comes with specific instructions that both you and your physician must follow carefully. When attending your medical examination, bring your government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Children under 14 should bring their birth certificate. Also, bring your vaccination records, payment for the examination, and any relevant medical history or previous test results. You can download Form I-693 directly from the USCIS website to ensure you have the most current version. The form has 11 sections that you and your physician will complete. You can fill out the applicant's section beforehand, but don't sign it until you're in the presence of your civil surgeon. Timing is important when submitting Form I-693. You can submit it together with Form I-485 for faster processing, or bring it to your in-person interview if one is scheduled. After your examination, the physician will provide the completed form in a sealed envelope, which must remain sealed when submitted to USCI. While there's no USCIS filing fee for Form I-693, you will need to pay for the medical examination itself. Costs typically range from $100 to $500, varying by location and physician. These fees generally aren't covered by insurance, so be prepared to pay out of pocket. Several factors affect the cost of your medical examination. These include your location, whether you visit a clinic or private doctor, any additional tests required based on your medical history, and vaccination costs if you need any required immunizations. To find more affordable options, compare prices among USCIS-approved physicians in your area. Look for clinics offering discounted packages, ask about payment plans, or check if community health clinics provide lower-cost examinations. The immigration medical examination includes several components. First, the physician will review your vaccination history. Required vaccines include COVID-19, polio, hepatitis A and B, meningococcal, measles, mumps, rubella, pertussis, pneumococcal pneumonia, tetanus, diphtheria, and Haemophilus influenzae type B. Your mental health will also be assessed, with the physician evaluating your behavior, judgment, and comprehension. They'll look for any psychiatric or mental conditions that might cause harmful behavior or are likely to recur. The physical examination covers your ears, nose, throat, heart, lungs, abdomen, skin, lymph nodes, external genitalia, hands, and feet. Blood tests for syphilis are required for applicants 15 and older, and you may need a chest X-ray to screen for tuberculosis. Drug and alcohol screening is another important component. The physician will ask about past and present substance use, including prescription medications and any history of drug abuse treatment. Current substance abuse can make you inadmissible, though evidence of completed treatment and recovery can help your case. After completing all required components, the physician will provide your results in a sealed envelope, typically within 1 to 2 weeks. It's crucial not to open this envelope, as USCIS will reject an unsealed form. The results remain valid for 2 years from the date of the civil surgeon's signature. If you need additional tests or treatments, your physician will provide instructions before finalizing Form I-693. Missing vaccinations may require follow-up visits before your form can be completed. The immigration medical examination is a necessary step in the permanent residency application process. Understanding the requirements, costs, and procedures can help you navigate this important component of your journey toward becoming a permanent resident of the United States.